Hello friends, today we learn how to configure tax invoice for printing. We go to on voucher tab, select F8, select the company name. Here you are seeing there is no column for purchase order number. So we have to configure it. F12 configure. We will check one by one. Provide buyer details, yes. Provide dispatch order details, yes. Provide order detail, yes. By this we give details of purchase order number. Provide additional description for stock item. Here you can give additional details of item, so you can do yes. Provide cash or trade discount, we will discuss later. Show balance on voucher date, yes. Here we have accept or configuration. We learn how to create transporter name in Teleprime, so that this will be displayed in e-way details of Teleprime. Go on ledger, create. Let's assume this is at ABC transporter. Here you have to mention the transporter GST number, to this option, yes. Set and alter GST trail. Here you are seeing, here is this is showing, is it transporter? Yes, you have to choose yes. When you choose yes, this will displayed on e-way details of Teleprime. We will go on voucher, F8 for sales. Let's choose the party name. Here you have to mention dispatch through. It can be car, Mahindra Bolero, it can be motorcycle as well. You have to mention here destination where you are delivering the goods, carrier name. Here you have to mention the transporter name. Let's take porter. Here you have to mention the GR number of the GR number, and here you have to mention date. Here you have to provide the vehicle number. Here you have to provide the purchase order number of the party and mention the purchase order date. Whenever you are making the bill, please check pin code is available of the buyer or not. if it is not available, you have to mention it. Select the item, here you can mention the description of item, quantity, and tax. Provide GST or e-invoice e-waybill detail. Yes. So here, this is the Tally Prime e-waybill details. Is subtype supply, document type tax invoice, distance. For distance, you have to go on e-waybill site and check out the distance. First, whenever you selling the first time to any party, you have to check the kilometer as well on e-waybill site. If kilometer is not correct, that will create problem in generate e-waybill from Tally Prime. Go on search tab, pin to pin distance. Enter dispatch from pin code, means from where you are sending the material, 201005. At the place you are sending the material, delivered the material, 201301. We have mentioned captcha and click on go tab. Here you are seeing this is the kilometer, 24. I have mentioned it. Choose the transporter name, mode, road, BILT number and vehicle number. This is the regular vehicle type. Bill to place or ship to place. Bill to place means you are doing billing to the party. After that you have to mention ship to place. Ship to place means where you are delivering the goods. This is also the same here in my case. After that you accept. It is Tally Prime is asking, do you want to send voucher detail for e-invoice and e-waybill generation? Choose option yes. After that you have to mention your user ID and password of e-invoice and e-invoice and e-waybill has been generated by Tally Prime. If you have any error in e-invoice and e-waybill, you have to go display reports, GST reports, e-invoice. Here you can check if any error being shown, so you have to resolve the error, and if you have any error in e-waybill, so you can check in e-waybill report. This is all how to configure invoice and generate e-waybill and e-invoice by Tally Prime. Thank you. Goodbye.